Welcome back to Grammar Fundamentals for the SAT. This is Chapter 4, Lesson 29. We've classified sentences by structure. Now we sort them a different way, by purpose, into 4 kinds. Sentences can be sorted by their purpose, what they're trying to do. There are 4 kinds. A declarative sentence makes a statement and ends with a period. An interrogative sentence asks a question and ends with a question mark. An imperative sentence gives a command or request, ending with a period, or an exclamation point if it's forceful. And an exclamatory sentence shows strong feeling and ends with an exclamation point. 4 purposes, and the end mark follows the purpose. Let's compare the 2 most common kinds. A declarative sentence simply states something. We toured the cavern last summer. It's telling you a fact, so it ends with a period. An interrogative sentence asks, "Did you bring an umbrella?" It's seeking information, so it ends with a question mark. The simplest split. If it tells, use a period. If it asks, use a question mark. The imperative sentence gives a command or makes a request. Please turn off the lights. Remember from our subject lesson, the subject is the understood you. You turn off the lights. An imperative usually ends with a period, but if it's forceful, a shouted order, it can end with an exclamation point. So a command with an understood you is imperative, whether it's calm or urgent. An exclamatory sentence shows strong feeling and ends with an exclamation point. What a noisy crowd this is! It's bursting with emotion. Now, here's where it gets tricky. An exclamation point also appears on forceful commands, like, "Watch out!" That one is still imperative, a command, just an urgent one. So judge by purpose. If it expresses feeling, it's exclamatory. If it orders someone to do something, it's imperative, even with an exclamation point. One subtle trap before we practice. A sentence can mention a question but still be a statement. A direct question asks outright, "Did it rain?" That gets a question mark. But an indirect question just reports the asking. "I wonder whether it rained." That is actually a declarative sentence. It's telling us what you wonder, so it ends with a period, not a question mark. So don't be fooled. Only a direct question takes a question mark. On the test, choosing the end mark really means naming the purpose. A statement takes a period. A question takes a question mark. A command takes a period, or an exclamation point if it's urgent. And a sentence of strong feeling takes an exclamation point. So the move is always the same. First decide what the sentence is doing, then the punctuation follows automatically. Let's put it together. What an amazing creature the bat is! Is it stating, asking, commanding, or exclaiming? It's pouring out admiration, strong feeling, and it ends with an exclamation point. That makes it an exclamatory sentence. Name the purpose and the type, and the end mark follow. Let's practice. Label each sentence by its purpose: declarative, interrogative, imperative, or exclamatory. Pause and try before I answer. Bats may be the world's most misunderstood animals. It makes a statement, telling us a fact, so it's declarative. Do you picture bats as villainous creatures? It asks a question, ending with a question mark, so it's interrogative. Please turn off the lights. It makes a request with the understood subject you, so it's imperative. Now choose the end mark that fits each sentence's purpose: a period, a question mark, or an exclamation point. Pause and try each. Some bats eat their body weight in insects each night. It states a fact, a declarative sentence, so it needs a period. How much do you really know about bats? It asks a question, an interrogative sentence, so it needs a question mark. Watch out for that low branch. It's a shouted, urgent warning, full of force. So an exclamation point fits best. Let's bring it together. Sentences come in 4 kinds by purpose. Declarative makes a statement and takes a period. Interrogative asks a question and takes a question mark. Imperative gives a command with an understood you and takes a period or exclamation point. And exclamatory shows strong feeling and takes an exclamation point. Whenever you must choose an end mark, just decide what the sentence is doing and the punctuation follows. Great work. In Lesson 30, we'll learn to spot and fix sentence fragments.